Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I am going to share with you how to download and install Shazam music discovery application in your device. So if you use iPhone, then go to App Store. If you use Android phone, then go to Play Store. And after that, you can see this is the interface of Play Store. So what you need to do, you need to tap here search app and games and type here Shazam. So that's it, click on that, and you can see this is really amazing app for music. You can find song, concert, lyrics and videos, play or connect to stream music now. So this is amazing. You can see it's really cool app, and 100 million plus people already use this app. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the install button, so it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching the video.